In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily thread and use this mini portable spring sewing machine. So I'm just going to unbox it and show you guys how to do it. So if you'd love to watch more videos from me, make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. So the first thing we're going to do is thread this mini machine. So as you can see, I have a threader, I have a little spool, and it comes with thread. So I'm going to get this little spool and put the thread in, then attach it to this little opening over here, right here. So I'm just going to attach it. The next, I'm going to go to the first thread guide, which is this little tiny hole. I'm going to put my thread through this little tiny hole right there. Then I'm going to put it over there. Then the next thread guide is this little thing that has some springs and two metals. So the thread should pass between these two metals right there. So I'm just going to pass it between these two metals, as you can see. Then the next thread guide is going to be up there. Let me just turn it so that you guys can see right here where I'm pointing. So I've already put my thread in this little thing here. Then the next thread guide is going to be in the needle hole. So I'm just going to turn it so that you guys can see the needle hole right in this needle hole. So I'm just going to use my threader to help me put the thread inside. So this is my threader, just going to go in here. Okay, so I have just put my threader inside, and next I'm going to get my thread. So there's my little thread guide entering the hole. Okay, so I've just managed to thread it. The next I'm going to get my piece of fabric and I'm going to stitch. So you have to lift this little thing here and put your fabric, then start stitching. Don't forget to subscribe.